How to create a seller account on Etsy. Now, if you want to create a seller account on Etsy, first of all, you need to create a normal Etsy account at first. And once you create a normal Etsy account, you need to come into this website of etsy.com/sell. Then log in your normal Etsy account in here. After that, you will get this option of get started from the homepage of etsy.com/sell. You need to tap to get started. Once you tap to get started button, you just simply need to select this page where you need to enter shop preferences. First of all, enter your shop language, then shop country and shop currency. Just simply select all of these options and tap to save and continue. Now, after doing that, you need to select a name for your shop. Simply enter your shop name and tap to save and continue again. After selecting these, you will see this page where it will ask you how you will get paid. You just simply need to select the payment method which is available in your area, and after that scroll down again and you will see the payment method option which you can select in your region. Just simply select that payment method and enter all of the payment details that it asks. For example, if bank is available in your area, it will ask for the banks if it allows, or you have to go through PayPal or Pioneer if you don't have bank option in your region. Tap to connect your Pioneer, PayPal or bank account and enter those details and tap to save and continue. And after that, you can customize your shop and change the appearance of it, and after that you can very easily use Etsy seller account, and this is how you create it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.